people each year change their number for a variety of reasons, whether it being, your lovely scam calls, spam calls, calls that are meant for your Aunt Griselda, but really somehow made it to you because, you got a recycled phone number from Verizon. Yeah, that gets annoying. But today, I'm going to show you, if you are a Tracfone user, on how to change your number really easy. Now, this is a free tool. I'm not sure how many times particularly, but I do know that this is free for at least your first time. So either way, let's get started. It's pretty simple. All you need is your phone, and that's it. The steps I'm going to show you are on iPhone, on this iPhone XR. However, steps are pretty much the same for an Android or even a flip phone, also on Tracfone. So that's pretty simple. All you gotta do is get started, is unlock your phone, and you're gonna open messages. You're gonna send a new message to 611-611, or just 611-611. Either way, you're gonna have two 611s in your message. And you are gonna text it with all capital letters, MINC, and you are gonna send that to 611. Now, as you can see, it's gonna send you a reply. Welcome. To change your number, we're gonna need the 5-digit zip code. So it's kind of like when you did sign up for Tracfone, is where it asks where you're using your phone the most. So that's where you're gonna give it your zip code of where you want your phone number to be, or where where you are located. Basically, you want to give it that number. Now you can get a reply from them, and so then it's gonna let you know that you're gonna lose your current number. So that's an important thing. Make sure you have nothing tied to your current phone number, because you will lose access. If you are getting this new number, either change all your contact information, definitely 2FA accounts and account information. You want to change those immediately before this. Now, if you're unable to, I recommend trying to use a VoIP service like TextNow or Google Voice. Try to transfer to those. If you cannot, please make sure you have some other way of signing back in, because if this is it, you're done. And also, alert your contacts. You really don't want your Aunt Griselda calling you and just having a welcome to Verizon, your number's on service message, right? So if you are sure, and when you're ready, just type Y. So as you can see, it says your phone number change was successfully processed. Allow 5 minutes for request to be completed to turn off your phone and turn it back on. Now, this works if you have a physical SIM card or an eSIM. Now, you might be thinking, and I thought this well for a long time, is that the SIM card is a one-time provision for that one number. No, actually, it's not. You can apparently carriers can reprovision the SIM card. As such, that is what Tracfone is doing in this case. Is they are reprovisioning the SIM card with our new number. As such, now we need to wait our 5 minutes, and we will turn off the phone and turn it back on once our Tracfone symbol goes to no service, or SOS only. Then we will turn off and turn back on the phone, which would be in about the 5-minute period. So we'll come back when we are back to SOS only. It's been about 2 minutes now, and I know it's not full 5 minutes. However, currently our SIM card, that number's gone. We're no longer gonna have access to that number. And even then, if we were trying to call it, it would just give us a welcome to Verizon message. And well, yeah, it's gone. It's gone for good. So next up, all you gotta do is just turn off your phone. So volume up, volume down, power. Just turn off your phone, or hold down the side button and power button. Also turn off. On Android, hold down the side power button. Usually just turn it off. If you're on a flip phone, you know how to turn that flip phone off. Right, and then now the phone's off, you're just gonna go ahead and turn it back on by holding the power button again. Pretty simple to turn on and off a phone, and it's back on. So as you can see, we got our Tracfone service back here again, so we're just gonna quickly unlock, and there we go. Now, the reason why mine just has no bars, I think that either could be from the provisioning issue or the fact that I just have no more data left in my data plan. As such, it always freaks out and will never give me bars. So that's also why cellular is disabled. So now I'm just gonna give it a couple more minutes to finalize the process. And if you actually read the message I did not include, it's gonna ask you, it's gonna tell you to say phone to text them, so then they will give you your new number. But we'll do that after we gain our bars, because if not, the message might fail to send or might have an issue. So that's where we're just gonna wanna wait. And I'm gonna even do the good old trick of turning off Wi-Fi, turning on data, turning off data, airplane mode for a couple seconds. Usually when you do this, it'll try to reconnect to a cell tower like that, as you can see. And there you go. We're just gonna have to wait another few seconds or a minute or so for us to gain back our cell bars. However, while we wait for that to happen, you can go back to messages, go back to your conversation with 611, and just reply in all capitalization phone and get that prepared, because I see like I said, it's not going to send yet because, you know, we're still, I guess we're doing last minute provisioning, if that makes any kind of sense. All right, now we actually have self-service. Oh my, okay, yes, we have self-service this time. So now, okay, it's coming in now. Either way, now you can just send phone to 611 and then you will get a reply. And see, the number change is now complete. And it in fact gives us our new number right there. And it gives you when your service date ends. That's not going to change anything when your service date ends. That's going to be the same. But it's going to give you your new number. It's going to tell you to check your balance. And yeah. And this will reflect in your Tracfone app as well. And there you go. You've changed your number on Tracfone. Now, hopefully you got a fresh start. You know, free from your Aunt Griselda clutterness. And yeah. And you just want to start moving your stuff back over to your phone. And you'll be good to go. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give a like and subscribe. If you did not find it helpful, please leave a comment below and I'll try to help you my best I can. Please remember to make sure that you are absolutely sure you want to change your number and you acknowledge the risk when doing this as well. Alright, thanks for watching.